Hello and welcome to my channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can use AI to create a book very fast. Now if you don't know what AI means artificial intelligence. A lot of people are making tons of money by using artificial intelligence to fast track their work, to make life easier. All right, and so if you know how to use AI to perform tasks, you can actually be making money by teaching people how it works. So in this video I'm going to be showing you how to do one of those tasks that I do. All right, I teach people how to do stuff online. My name is Awajima Misuto. If this is your first time of landing on my channel, I want to welcome you to this video. And right now I'm just doing this video. There's no editing, there's nothing. I'm just doing it live and direct. Okay, so all I need you to do now to support me is to like this video and hit the subscribe button. Okay, hit the subscribe button, and when you hit the subscribe button, turn on the notification bell so that when I post more videos you are going to be the first to be notified. All right, so I use AI to one of the AIs I use that to create my ebook. Okay, I use it also to create courses online which I sell to people and I make money from that. So in this video I want to show you how you can create an ebook very fast using AI technology. Let's say for instance you want to create a book. Okay, you want to create a book and a book about any topic. Okay, any topic at all. I'm going to show you how to do that. So let me quickly take you to my Google Chrome and just show you how you can do that. All right, no, not this. I'll show you how you can actually use AI to do that. And one of the AIs you are going to be using is what we call ChatGPT. I know you must have heard about this, but if you haven't heard about this, ChatGPT is actually an AI software that you can actually use to create content for yourself. So the beauty about this is it eliminates all the process of thinking, all the process of brainstorming. So you don't have to be cracking your brain to create content. All right, you can use this to create content calendars. Let's say you have a business online, you don't know what to be posting every day for 30 days. You can use this, what I'm going to show you now, to create content that you can be posting for 30 days. You can use it to create 30 days tweets. You can use this to create many kind of content. All right, you can even use it to create suggestions for what you should be posting online for your niche based content. Let's say you are talking about weight loss, or you are talking about make money online, or whatever you're talking about. All right, so basically if you want to create an ebook, let's say we want to create an ebook that talks about, let's say, weight loss. Yes, let's write a book about weight loss. But for instance now, let's say I don't know the topic I want to talk about. I just want to write something about weight loss, but I don't have a topic in mind, and I want this this application to help me suggest a topic that I should write about. Do you get? So I'll just come here now and I'll type, I want to write a short ebook about weight loss. Suggest a title for me. All right, so look at, now you can see that it has suggested a topic for us. Now let's say I'm not satisfied with this topic and I still want it to suggest more titles for me. What I'm going to do now, watch me. I'll come here and type suggest more book. Okay, let me just give it a specific number now. Suggest 5 titles for a weight loss ebook. Now let's see what is going to drop for me now. Now can you see? Now you can see all of the titles that it has suggested to us. See the first one. The first one says lose it right, a step-by-step weight loss journey. See the second one, the lean and healthy you. Can you see the third one? Can you see the fourth one? And the fifth one says what? Weight loss unlocked, secret to a fit and fabulous you. Can you see that we have just created 5 titles for an ebook? So after this now, you can just pick any of the titles that you want. Now let's say we want to pick number 5. All right, we want to pick number 5. What I'm going to do now is to come here and copy this. All right, you click on this, you copy it, and then I'll come here and just paste it here. Let me paste it here. All right, I'll paste it here. Everything I'm doing now is just live and direct too. I'm not going anywhere. I'm just here doing all of this. Okay, I'm still giving it more work to do. All right, I'm giving it more work to do. I'm going to say now, see what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask it to write again for me. Write a short intro. Okay, let's not use intro. Let's say let's say write a short report. Yes, let's use report on this. Okay, then I'll say what? 5 pages. 5 pages. Can you see? I'm giving it the specific assignment I want it to do for me. All right, so I just want it to do all of this. Then from this now, I can now pick it and rework it if I want to. If I don't want to rework it, I can publish it like that. All right, but it's very important that you rework it so that you can have a personal tone to your book, so it doesn't look like, okay, this is a machine that wrote this book. All right, so just watch what I'm doing now. So once you do this now, all you need to do is click on this button that is pointing forward, the green button. All right, you click on it. Okay, it's saying error. Let's remove that. Write a short book. You see what? An error occurred, either the engine. Now what this means is that if you write a topic that the app doesn't understand, it's going to ask you to rewrite it. Okay, let's regenerate. Fantastic. Can you see what's happening? So we can use this to create an ebook in less than an hour. Now see, it's giving us page 1. Can you see? Page 1 is what? Introduction. Welcome to Weight Loss Secrets to a Fit and Fabulous You. In this short report, can you see? This is page 1. Page 2 is what? Understanding the fundamentals of weight loss. Number 3, which is page 3, is what? Nourishing your body. Page 4 is what? Embracing physical activity. Page 5 is what? Building healthy mindset. And then conclusion. Now, another thing we are going to do after we finish this now, you're going to copy this now. You're going to copy this. All right? You copy this now and take it to your notepad. Where is my notepad? You take it to your notepad. All right? You will take it to your notepad and create a new note and paste it on your notepad. Are you seeing me now? I'm showing you how to write an ebook without stress, without you thinking too much. All right? You paste it here. Now, after you have pasted this now, you pick this now. You pick page 1. You pick page 1. We want to expand this page 1. You pick page 1, you copy it, and then you go back to that ChatGPT again. You paste it here. Are you seeing what I'm doing? This is magical. You paste it here and you say expand. expand this text. Are you seeing now? Expand this text. All right, expand this text. Now watch the way it's going to expand. I want it to explain this further. Can you see? Can you see how it's breaking everything down for me, explaining everything? All right. This is magic and this is powerful. See the way it's breaking everything down for me. Can you see? Now this one that it has expanded now, at least it's large enough. Are you seeing this now? It's large enough, so it won't look like it's just one short thing that you're just posting on your this thing and saying you are selling book. Are you seeing now? You copy this now. You come to this place now. All right, you come here now. You come here and what? And then you paste it here. Are you seeing now? Can you see we are expanding the whole book now? The book is becoming large. Can you see now? Can you see? So we have what? We have the introduction. We have the introduction. Can you see? All right. So we have this. I think this one, and this one is the same thing. So we have to delete one of them. All right. We have to delete one of them. I'm showing you live and direct how I create ebooks. Okay. Without thinking too hard. Now you can see we have this, we have this, we have this, we have this. See the way it expanded that introduction. That's for page 1. Now you are going to repeat the same process for this understanding the fundamentals. You are going to take it again. You will copy this now again. You will copy this page 2 now and come here. You copy this page 2 and come to this ChatGPT again and paste it here. I see what I'm doing. Follow me. You paste it here and say expand again. Are you seeing this now? Expand. Are you seeing now? See the way it's expanding. Can you see? Wow. Can you see the way it's breaking down everything? All the things we wrote there is breaking everything down. You come down here again and copy it. That copy now, you come here and put it inside page 2. Are you seeing what we're doing? You put it inside page 2. You put it inside page 2. Of course, you're going to have to remove this first part. This one's assist. You're going to remove it. Are you seeing it now? Follow me so that you don't get confused. You're going to have to remove all of this. Cut it off. Remove. All right? Remove. Are you seeing now? Let me check whether this thing is recording. I hope it's recording. Yes, it is. Okay. So once you've gotten this part now, you can come here and name this one. You can name this one A, so you don't get confused. You can name this one A. You can come here and name this one B. All right. So that once you are doing your arrangements, you can name this one C, and like that. And then the next thing is to come down here and take page 3. Can you see the way you are breaking it? You repeat the same process again until you finish your book. And once you are done with all of this, you carry it. You go and you post it on Google Docs. And once you post it on Google Docs, you edit everything and then you create your book cover and your book is ready. You can do this in less than 1 hour. I've done it before and it is very possible. All right. So this is how to quickly create an ebook using AI technology. If you got value from this video, just like this video, comment if you have questions, and don't forget to subscribe. Okay, when you subscribe, it shows that you support what I'm doing. All right. If you want to master ebook creation business and you want to learn how you can be making money from this, go to the comment section. All right, go to the description. Go to the description. I'll drop a link there so that that link will guide you. If you click on it, it will take you to where you're going to learn more how you can gain access to my mentorship. All right, so go to the link in the description and check for that link right now, or you can even use this link that you see on your screen. All right, so this is all I'm going to take for this video. This is all I'm going to be doing in this video. So if you got value, don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'm going to see you in my next video. Enjoy.